Hello guys, welcome back. So apart from the features we already know about QuickMagic AI, which is the mockup features, there are now new features on QuickMagic.ai, which are the action limitation, people swap, talking image, and image to video. But for now, I'm going to be talking about the image to video features on QuickMagic.ai, which is something that I've already tried and the result looks nice. So I'm also going to be sharing the information with you. So I'm going to click on image to video now. So you can use this as a free user because I think they will give you like 15 seconds free with 480p pixel. That's the quality of the video. Do you get? So the first thing you need to do is to upload your first frame. You can upload the first frame. You can change the options here: first frame, first and last frame, and smart interpolation. Do you get? So depending on what you want to generate with this. Also, you can also find seedance here because you have options or AI image generation options here, which is the audio video sync. So if you want to know what they can do or what they are about, sorry, so just place your mouse cursor on this icon here. You can see this, so it explains the kind of result you get or what they can do. Do you get? So when I place my icon on the place my mouse cursor on this see down 2.2 icon behind enhance motion dynamics with more cinematic visual experience, you see we have the standard, we have this scene motion, we have the omni create, we have the motion boost, ultra vision, and I think that's where is standard. Okay, yeah, the standard. So this is what I generated with standard. This is the result from standard. I only my prompt was that, oh, just wave your hand. You get? So you can also test it out and check out the results, and you can use it as a free user, but you have 50 seconds free, I think daily or so, or per month. So you don't need to subscribe, but if you want to use more of the features, then you need to subscribe for their monthly plan, sorry. So I'm going to switch back to the first frame, and I'm just going to look for one of my digital fashion render. So I'm going to go to my I'm going to go to my pictures, or let's go to Clue 3D fashion. So I'm just going to pick one of the render that looks good. All of them looks good anyway. I'm just looking at the background so that the AI can recognize the design from the background. So I can for instance I can use this. So I'm coming. So let me try this one. Let me try this one, and let's select open. So okay, I can just type, okay, I want the character, sorry, to throw a fist, let's say with both hands, and you get? So I'll just use this simple prompt, and for me I'm on the premium plan, so I can use the 720p, which is going to cost just 1 Vcoin. You can see 5 seconds 1 Vcoin. Also you can adjust the duration to about 15 seconds, but let me just use the 5 seconds for this. And also you can generate more than one video, so you can check out which one which of the results is better. Do you get? So I can select 2 videos, and I'm going to scroll down and change this to, let's try this down 2.2 they just released on this quickmagic.ai. So I'm going to select this, and I'll just let's say punch. Let me just give it a try. So we're going to wait for about 10 minutes if I'm right. So you can see the estimate is 10 minutes, so I'm going to skip this part and let's wait for the result. So our video is ready, and this video took less than 10 minutes. I was even surprised. So but let's check it out and let's see the result. I'm going to click on the play button, and it's supposed to give us 2 options of video. I don't know why it's displaying one, and this is one of the glitch in my face, so sometimes you might need to like reload the page. So I'm just going to, I think I'll probably just cancel this and reload the page so that I can try it again. Okay, I'm going to click on play again. Okay, we have 2 videos, and let me see how it looks like. Okay, I think the second result is better than the first result. Oh, I think I understand something. The reason why when we're generating, it was one V coin per 1 V coin per second. So it is because I was generating two videos. So the cost of it was 10 V coin. But since I'm using sedans will double it. So if you're generating 3 videos, just multiply it by the price per second, then the 3 videos. So 3 videos is like 15 seconds, 5 seconds per each videos. So let me just break that down. So I think I just understand that part now. So I think I prefer this second one to the first one. Can see. Let's play it again. Sorry. Anyway, there's a little glitch on the website, but you can always reload the page. But at the end of the day, so we have this download button. So if you are done, you can always download the video, select the one you want to download, the one you prefer. So if I like this, I'll just select this video. Hey, this is it again. I don't know why it does like this. So you can select this one and uncheck this one, or you can select both and download them. But I think I don't like the first one. I like the second one, so I'll just click on the second one. You can download it and use it for whatever you want to use it for. So thank you for watching this video from Timmy the Creator. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button